Today we understand the breathing and respiration. First is breathing, मतलब definition of breathing. Now including inspiration मतलब inhalation, intake of oxygen, and expiration मतलब exhalation of CO2. Now definition of respiration, utilization of oxygen which enter our body, inhalation. Next is wide need of breathing. Oxygen has been continually provided to the cells, and carbon dioxide produced by the cell have to be released out. Now is human respiratory system. Human respiratory system. What is human respiratory system? Why is respiration? Let's discuss. When a pair of one pair of lungs is present in a human body, when a pair of external nostril open out above the upper lip, lead to a nasal chamber through a nasal passage, and nasal chamber open to a pharynx, and pharynx a portion which a common passage for food and air. Pharynx open through a larynx region into a trachea, and larynx is a cartilaginous box which help to in a sound production called sound box. During swelling, glottis can be covered by a thin elastic cartilaginous lap is epiglottis to prevent the entry of food into a larynx. Nice trachea. Trachea straight tube extend up to a mid-thoracic cavity and divided at the level of fifth thoracic vertebra into a right and left primary bronchi. Each bronchi divided to form a secondary, tertiary, quaternary, initially and terminal bronchi, and last is alveoli. Alveoli is a thin, irregular and vascular bag-like structure. Now is branching network of bronchi, bronchioles and alveoli comprises the lungs, and two lungs which are covered by a double layer pleura with a pleural fluid within them. It reduces friction on the lungs surface. And is a diaphragm. Is a C-shaped incomplete cartilaginous links are found from a trachea to initial bronchi. Initial bronchi. Now this is a pathway of respiration already discussed. External nostril, upper part of the lips, nasal chamber, nasal passage, pharynx, larynx, trachea, primary bronchi, secondary, tertiary, quaternary, initial bronchi, terminal bronchi, and alveoli is the last part, and